Addressing customer support scenarios, customers have a lot of different requirements nowadays when it comes to the expectations that they have that a manufacturer is going to supply for their products. As an example, with that, it's really common nowadays to need, for example, additional documentation or warranty information about a product and to register that information, as you can imagine. And part of the problem is that a lot of manufacturers don't have good systems to allow for consumers to easily tackle that in their environment. So it's something you need to consider, is that the customer need is definitely becoming much more expanded as time goes on in terms of how they want to access and register for that information, or even talk to support from a manufacturer perspective, right? There are really common scenarios that a lot of manufacturers don't think about because classically they're all about pumping out products. Well, now the balance between pumping out products and having good quality customer experience is a major differentiator for manufacturers in our space.